kids grown and gone and life becoming routine, we decided to change our life and start living. Join us on our journey as we cook, eat, play, and travel around the world. So what a great surprise. While we were out on the road, I-40, we found this great campground called Tom Sawyer. We came across the levee, and to our surprise, we found the Mississippi River. What a great place.
Working for the mail every night and day, and I never lost.
As you can see, we're on top of the levee. This is what separates the Mississippi River from the dry land. And yes, we are over here camping and hanging out for the night. Over here where it floods every year up to around halfway up the levee. And we're down there. Come take a look.
Rolling on the river. Sing a lot of praise in Memphis.
To give you an idea how high the water is, they put all the electrical stuff up above the water when it floods. Take a look.
Side of the city till I hit the ride on the riverboat cream. Big wheel keep on turning.
The river actually crested right here.
So you can see that everything is on wheels because it has to be moved due to the floods every year. Quite an amazing place to stay. I'm standing about 300 yards from the Mississippi River, and in 2011 the water got up to here. Talk about flooding.
And that's a wrap. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's the way we're ending this. This video is officially over. See you next week.